Hello friends, today we are going to discuss an interview question which is asked by Google and Netflix lately. So now let's discuss the question. This question is available in the StrataScratch platform. I will share the link in the description box so you can check it out. Now let's discuss first. So this is the question. So it is based upon to find out the rating of an actor. Okay, so we have a data set which has number of actors and the number of films they have been involved in. Okay, so what we are going to find out their average rating, latest rating. Latest rating is based upon the new film which they have involved. Okay, and the difference between the latest and the average. Okay, so we have the data set which is named as actor rating shift. Now, what does the data set consist of? The actor name, film title, release date, film rate. Okay, so let's see what do we need to return. Return a list of actors along with their average lifetime rating, the rating of their most recent film, and the difference between the two ratings. And we need to round the values to two decimal places. Okay. If an actor has only one film, return 0 for the difference, and their only film's rating for both average and latest rating films. If they have done only one film, then we are going to include the latest and the average rating is same, and the difference is 0. Okay. So, if we have missed something, let's read out this first paragraph also. We have the given dataset of actors in the films they have been involved in, including each film's rating and the release date. For each actor, calculate the difference between the rating of the most recent film and the average rating across all the films. Okay, the very important point, that is, we are going to find out the average of all the previous films, but we are not going to include the latest film rating. Okay, that is the main point. While calculating the average rating of an actor, we are going to include all the ratings of his previous films, not one which is the latest one for him. Okay. We're going to exclude the recent one. Okay. Now let's first of all import pandas. Let's rename the data frame. Now, let's see the data frame once. So we have actor name, film title, release date, and film rate. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a list of the actor names. Okay. And one by one, I'm going to call them and find out their average and the latest rating. Okay. Now, first of all, I'm going to sort the values by actor name. Then make a list. Then let's make a list. Okay. List of all actor names. Let's see the list. So these are the actor names we have. Okay. Now we are going to iterate them one by one. Now let's make one more list, an empty list. Okay. So for iteration, I'm going to use the for loop. Now let's make one new data frame. Now for one data frame, what I'm going to do, I'm going to sort the values with respect to the release date. Okay. Now, after sorting, what I'm going to do, I'm going to check the length of the data frame. If the length of the data frame is 1, then his latest and the average rating is same. Okay. Otherwise, I'm going to find out their average and the latest rating. Okay. Now let's check the length. 1. Then the average equal to the latest T1. The film rating dot log minus 1. And the difference of rating is 0. Okay. Now, else. Now, in the case of else means if we have more number of rows, then what we are going to do, we are going to calculate the average equal to TF1 film rating by log starting from the 0 ending to -1 but excluding the latest rating dot mean, and we need to round the values up to 2 decimal places. Okay, now let's see the latest. Latest should be film rating by log this one. Okay, and the difference of the rating is latest minus average. Okay. Now we are going to round it to 2 decimal. Okay. Now we made a list, right? Which is named as rows. I'm going to append rows dot append. Okay, all the values I, the actor name, average, latest, now def rate. Okay. Now in the last, what do we need? A data frame. So now let's make a data frame. the rows, comma, the columns. No, the column names, right? First is the actor name. Next is the average rating. Next is the latest rating. Next is the difference in it. Okay. Now let's see the output. So what we have, Alex, Angelina Jolie, every actor is there, their average rating, the latest rating, and the difference rate. Okay. So I hope it is clear to all of you. If you have any doubt, please comment. And if you like my video, kindly share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.